Okay, YouTube viewers, this is part 3 of the video. It's hot out here. It's about 97 degrees. My phone overheated while we was inside the bird feeder, the bird cage. The phone had overheated. It's 97 degrees out here, but inside the bird cage, I think it's like 103. It's hot. So my phone had shut down. Well, at least the recording part had shut down, I guess, to save the processor from burning up. But anyway, this is part 3 of the video. This is gonna be the last part of the video. So I'm gonna go over here and feed the animals, the little farm animals over here. And see, he over there's fussing over there. But he over there waiting on me. Look at him looking at me. Yeah, he waiting on me. By the time you showed up, there you go. Oh, these are goats. Well, your turn. Yummy. They be nasty to me, but it's yummy to you. Oh, the baby wants some. Get some to the baby. Hey, come on now. I'm being greedy. Wait your turn. Oh, you did all that fussing, you don't even want none. What's wrong? You scared? You scared of food? Oh, you just. What's wrong? Yo, man, he act like he wants some food, then just turned away from me. With that pig I saw earlier. Oh, he over there laying down. Look at them pigs over there laying down. Old fat pigs. Oh, there they go. I guess they got fed, so now they're sleeping, taking their little nap. You want some? No, nah. We got some food down there. He's picking at. He's probably not that hungry. Are you the one that was over here making all that noise? And the way you eating, I think you were. You got no water over there for them? It's hot out here. Okay, you want some more? Oh, you? Oh, okay, you're not that hungry. Go up here. This is the Atlanta Petting Zoo. This is in Commerce, Georgia. From Atlanta, from downtown Atlanta, you would take 85 north to Commerce. So roughly about 50 miles, no, 60 miles northeast of Atlanta. Like I said, it was 97 degrees out here. It was hot. Now, we picked a hot day to come. But yeah, but anyway, this is Georgia, so there's a lot of hot days here. Feed only grain. Let me get him the rest of my food. Oh man, some shade. Some shade. You not hungry? Okay, they're not hungry. They're not hungry. They're not that hungry. You want some? I guess not. I guess they all been fed for the day. I guess that's cool. The staff don't have to do much feeding have to go around and do much feeding because the guests do all the feeding for them. I'm just concerned about the ones in that hot sun over there, down there. No, have no water source unless it's over there under that shed over there. Got a little picnic area where you can go sit at, bring your lunch. They don't have food here, so you have to bring your own lunch. They do have water and sodas inside the gift shop. And over, as you can see here, over there, blow it up so you can see, they have also a little wagon tours where if you want to go get on the wagon instead of driving your car, you can do that. Okay, YouTube viewers, I'm going to end this video. Hopefully you enjoyed the tour of Atlanta Petting Zoo in Commerce, Georgia, about 60 miles northeast of Atlanta. Hit the subscribe button, click like, and ring that bell for more notifications of my videos. Until then, next time, and enjoy the rest of your Sunday. And stay cool, because it's hot, especially if you're in the South. All right, bye-bye.